with it is scratch, eh? Yeah, I should say you don't scratch something before you reach this level. Yeah, it scratches. You can scratch this one, you can scratch. We know. Anyway, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today. Will be Monday, the first Monday for February 2015. My name is Nanedu. Katim, I just sent that she go buy something now. When she come back, you are going to see it. Opera, you know, she went to buy. I give her 200 naira. Maybe she buy rice 100 naira. Beans 50 naira. Spaghetti for 50 naira. We are watching our weight, so therefore we are not in the mood for meat. Then the pure water, we don't fetch water from pump already. Oh, go take chop night food. But anyway, it's always a wedding. Today on Top the Night Show, una go call us because the person waiting on Top Night Show today, we're not go talk topic today. The person waiting on Top Night Show today is a shrine. You know, say shrine now you go fit go kneel down pray. Shrine go can't give you. The girls have spoken. This person name be the girls of things that concern comedy matter. In fact, now they call the king of comedy. With some of our way, if we are spiritually inclined, because the flesh and blood cannot reveal it to you now, except the Lord Almighty in any way can reveal it to you. It's only God that can reveal it to you. Oh, now don't see the picture already. Oh, wow, now show them the camera. Hell, oh, these people waiting for production. Get out. Oh, and they try to tell they don't scatter everything.
I will clap for this guy in the play.
Oh, hey, if you leave about the tree for you, oh God.
This guy, like, say not be saying I hear they walk for the scratch and chat card.
You see?
The other people they walk up past, I will say, my brother, my back is scratch.
Because it's scratchy.
It's scratchy.
Anyway, welcome to Alibaba. Alibaba, thank you. Welcome. I don't want to clap again. Give us clap. Thank you. I am welcome. Thank you. You don't look this ring. You don't look him.
I look when I take away. Because I know the sister they watch your show, everything they complete.
You
don't have bottle.
Wait.
Don't have bottle.
Wait, nah. You say everything.
Don't have bottle.
Wait, nah. You say everything they complete. How are you sure? Say everything they complete.
I go tell Oga.
Oga no.
Like barman. You know say normally when you get bar. You know, so I've been running excuse me for one time.
You be barman before.
No, but I
get club. I be
get club before and I get barman there. We they monitor them now. Some they come with their own drink from house. They go sell their own. Keep the monitor. You say your own. They not sell. Market.
No market. Wait till you see. You they say anything they like that. They never have. How are you sure? You know, as a new woman, you are going to think. You think Gara left. You think tonight. How are you sure? Say me and easy bit not they drink this thing. Then we'll carry water.
Replace it.
Carry water. Replace it. You know that. Anyway, no to basketball chicken for you. King of comedy, Alibaba, and 9 days for Studio today. Now, 2 of us then go start the show and finish this show today. Katim not there around because of say she not well. Her body, she just.
But camera, and I think give us 2 shots ahead too. But now, wow, camera they deceive.
Sales are fine.
No, 2 of us gonna be like the same height. Why you they laugh?
Novice. So you want no. See, if you want to abuse me,
no.
Now my show you come. I can.
I know. I don't
punch.
Not be so.
Wait.
Not be so.
If you want.
Not be so. Wait. Not reach to remove cloth. Wait.
They do. You don't do now.
If you want to abuse me, start from your father. Idiot. I will understand.
Okay, make I start from there. Your father top as you.
So if they try that, not say it up as me. Now leave that thing. I know we are at all. We could not discuss on further. Anyway, when they come back, we could hand over to Easy Beauty. They come back, it's on Top the Night Show.
Salt on the beat.